Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of social psychology. Your first question is Piaget proposed dash cognitive stages. Given options are option A 4, option B 6, option C 5, option D 8. Your correct answer is option A 4. Our next question. Movement skills involved in large muscle group are dash skills. Here given options are A fine motor, B sensory motor, C gross motor, D advanced. Your correct answer is option C gross motor. Next question. Girls mature than boys. Given options are A slower, B faster, C both of these, D none of these. Your correct answer is option B faster. Girls mature faster than boys. Next question. Erikson divided an individual's psychosocial development into dash stages. Given options are A2, B4, C6, D8. Your correct answer is answer D8. Next question. Dash is a set of observable and measurable actions. Given options are A emotions, B thoughts, C behavior, D attitude. Your correct answer is option C behavior. Next question. Achievement of one's full potential is. Given options are A self-actualization, B self-efficiency, C self-efficacy, D self-absorption. Your correct answer is option A self-actualization. Next question. Grasping and pencil represents a child, A gross motor skills, B fine motor skill, C large motor skill, D none of these. Your correct answer is option B fine motor skills. Next question. With growing age, dash motivation reduces naturally. Here options are A extrinsic, B frequent, C intrinsic, D concentrated. Your correct answer is option C intrinsic. Next question. Dash support refers to tangible items. Given options are companionship, B social, C instrumental, D friendship. Your correct answer is option C instrumental. Next question. Memory for personal events in our life is termed as dash memory. Option A procedural, B semantic, C episodic, D long-term memory. Your correct answer is option C episodic.